How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. Obviously, the crypto market has been absolutely nuts the last couple of months. The last really year and a half, it's been absolutely nuts. And obviously, we're looking for outperformers. Bitcoin kind of leads the market, but then we're looking for altcoins that can do even better than Bitcoin. And one of the best performers over the last 30 days has actually been meme coins. I mean, look at this, right? Dog with Hat, 600%, Pepe, 781%, and Floki, with the best return, 804% in the top 100. Floki actually going to number 51, and it was, last time I checked, I think it was like number 200 or something like this. And this is really interesting to see the meme coin resurgence. Obviously, there's a lot of attention on meme coins now. A lot of people are paying attention to them. A lot of people have bought them in the past, and they're coming back into the market and buying meme coins. Now, I've been specifically looking at Floki. Obviously, it's the best performing asset of the top 100 over the last 30 days. It's at a $2.6 billion market cap with a fully diluted market cap of $2.65 billion. And while they were a meme coin at first, they've kind of transitioned to being more than that. Floki really, I think, can outperform during this next bull run. And when you look at it compared to Dogecoin right now, if it gets up to Dogecoin's market cap, the current market cap of Dogecoin, it would be about a 9.5x. So a really good performance there, even though it's already gone up 800%. If it gets up to Doge's market cap right now, and I'm not saying that Doge will stay at the same market cap, it can obviously move up as well. Well, that would be a 9.5x. Now, they have announced some things recently that make me think they're more than a meme coin. They are showing a lot of momentum through their FlokiFi locker. Try saying that 5 times fast. FlokiFi locker, their comprehensive staking programs, their strong partnerships and collaborations, their Valhalla, which is a play-to-earn metaverse and blockchain game, their DAO governance, which we'll talk about later in the video. And then they've also launched their sister token, which is TokenFi, which is actually doing really well in its own right. It's closing in on $1 billion fully diluted market cap. So I think Floki is doing a really good job. Whoever's leading them, right, is doing a very good job leading them into the right direction. And you can tell that just by the month-to-date performance, or the 1 month performance. You can see like pretty stagnant and then massive explosion. Now, I want to talk about Floki a little bit today. Now, to be clear, I am partnered with Floki. I've done a couple of videos on them in the past. If you haven't seen these videos, go check them out. I'll put them on the end screen, but can give you a more comprehensive look at what they're trying to do, what Floki's doing, and TokenFi is doing as well. But take a look at this. Floki was the 14th most traded cryptocurrency worldwide. This is from March 2, with over 1.45 billion in 24-hour trading volume. Floki was the 14th most traded cryptocurrency globally. The data is sourced from leading crypto data platform CoinMarketCap, so you know it's good information. And like I said, it is a large market cap right now. They did have a critical DAO proposal recently that burned 190 billion Floki tokens. So this is around 2% of the token's current circulating supply. Now, this was from a little while ago, and it passed. So they burned a lot of tokens. Again, March 2. So let's just take a look at the price March 2. Obviously, it went on a bender afterwards. I'm not sure that's the right word, but it went up 150% after they did this burn. So a lot of people loved it, and you can see even on that day, it was up like 76%. So they did approve this vote. They approved to burn a bunch of tokens, which obviously pushed the token price up. They're not the only ones that are buying or burning tokens either. DWF Labs announced that they're going to purchase $10 million in Floki tokens to support the Floki ecosystem. Obviously a huge buy right there, which obviously sends up the price significantly. They also continue to exhibit the signs of a major powerhouse project. I mean, take a look at this. A record 400 million in TVL across their ecosystem. That is crazy. That's a large amount of stake tokens, TVL, really TVL, but that's a huge amount of TVL for the protocol. Now, what I've seen is they're around 25% staked right now, which is really bullish. The FlokiFi locker is also live on the Blast mainnet. I know we talked about this a little bit, but this is bullish as well. Floki heard the cry of for a secure crypto locker protocol on Blast loud and clear, and they've delivered. Floki's crypto locker, FlokiFi locker, is officially live on Blast mainnet and can be used to securely lock LP tokens, fungible tokens, NFTs, and ERC1155 tokens. So this makes them the first protocol to launch on Blast, and it stops them from being rug pulled, as you can lock liquidity with FlokiFi locker. Also, if you want to go get more information about this, you can go to the FlokiFi website as well. And I will leave links to all this underneath the video. Now, I mentioned TokenFi and how successful they're doing, or how successful they are right now as well. They are trying to leverage and utilize AI. Obviously, that's a huge thing that people are looking for these days. And they have noted that this is a key area of focus. As I said, TokenFi's focus on AI aligns with the key players' vision while targeting the RWA tokenization industry. And they do point out something that Vitalik Buterin has talked about recently, floating an idea of AI-based code audits. Apparently, Ethereum project developers also backed him up on this. And it's not just crypto bros talking about AI, making this some big grand idea for the future. No, I mean, the NVIDIA CEO has talked about generative AI and how we're hitting a tipping point, how this is closer than a lot of people think. So obviously, there's a lot going on with Floki and their ecosystem. I think really it boils down to just a few key things that you have to know. They have a strong utility, right? Like their Valhalla blockchain metaverse, which is the most popular crypto metaverse, according to CoinMarketCap. FlokiFi locker is locking in a lot of TVL, $100 million plus, and overall there's $400 million plus in the ecosystem that's locked. They have a strong staking program that has locked up 25% of the supply for 3 months to 4 years, significantly reducing the selling pressure. We also have seen a lot of different entities buying Floki, and they have an aggressive marketing campaign that has been introduced to over 3 billion people in the mainstream, making it one of the most recognized cryptocurrencies out there. So again, I will leave links to all this underneath the video so you can do your own research. I'm not telling you to buy anything. Check out the links underneath the video, but as you can see here, a lot of people have bought over the last month, and a lot of people have made a lot of money. I mean, take a look at this. We're approaching price discovery. This is a beautiful thing. Of course, do your own research. Thank you so much to Floki, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.